The 20-year-old male UWI student who allegedly tortured his ex-girlfriend for 3 days has been slapped with additional charges. In addition to assault occasioning grievous bodily harm, Matthew Hyde has been charged with false imprisonment and the use of malicious communication. He made his first court appearance today and is being represented by King's Counsel Peter Champagny.
An application for bail was not pursued today because we were served for the first time with statements in relation to this matter, and naturally the defense would need time to assess the file, make a considered view on it in relation to whether or not an application for bail can be pursued on the next occasion. In addition to that, there are certain assessments that will have to be made from the defense's point of view, and I would not care to speak more about that. Suffice to say that the matter is for the 9th of March for the next date when this matter is going to be heard.